Khan's English Book 5 Plus, page 12. Dear students, today we will learn about long vowel sounds. Read and say the words. They begin with vowels. A, ape, apron. E, eagle, emo. I, iron, ice cream. O, oval, or. U, uniform, utensils. Respectable teachers and parents, help the students understand the beginning long sound of vowels in different words. Also tell them that long vowels produce the same sound when they are pronounced in the English alphabet. Make the children practice more words for better understanding of vowels. Thank you.